One miserable day today, isn't it? Skies are grey. I thought, why not come down, try and target some squid. Stay tuned and we'll see what we catch. And we're on! We've got a squidler on the line. Time the drag up a little bit, not too tight because we don't want to lose it. Bring him in slowly. I don't have myself a net, so hopefully he doesn't ink me. We're 5 minutes in and we've got a squid. It's actually quite a small looking one. Fingers crossed I don't lose it. It's only by a couple of tentacles. Oh shit. Here we go. Here we go. What a beautiful squid. It's actually quite large. I thought it was actually a lot smaller than this. But it's a decent sized squid. Happy days. I don't know, but for some reason I feel like a cherry rye. Oh, we're on. Oh, let me get that out. Just by the boat. Cool. As the weather's turning, this little squidler came along and took the bait. Come here. Ugh. Look at that. How's that for a squid? Prime West Australian squid. Beautiful. And here comes the rain. Yep, I think I'm on again. Oh. It is. Beautiful. I think it's my third squid today. A little bit slow, but nonetheless, and it is coming up now. This is actually on the white jig. Well, it's kind of white. Oh, here you go. Fingers crossed we get this one. Oh, there we go. Beautiful. Number 3. Beautiful sized squid as well. How's that? It'll be good for dinner tonight. Or she. Sweet. See you on the next one. Oh, not over my fucking GoPro. Well, for a short squid fish, the weather's pretty average. I came out with 3 squid, so I'm pretty happy. So, and if you look at the size of them, there's enough here to feed a nice family. As I said, I'm going to be eating well tonight. Until next time, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next on the fishing adventure.